If you want to speak Hindi fluently, but you're constantly getting overwhelmed, when to start, where to start, and how to start, then this video is for you. I'm going to teach you one way, one method to start describing your day or talking about your day, about what happened, what did you do. This is the one thing you need to start describing your day, to start conversing in Hindi. And the amazing part is that it's not hard. So let's get to it. The first thing you need is 3 vocabulary words. Yes, only 3 vocabulary words that will get you all set to start describing your day. And those words are first, which is main, and main means I. Second vocabulary word is was, and was in Hindi is tha for masculine. So try to remember it. Tha for masculine and thi for feminine. The third thing we need, or the third vocabulary word that you need, is ing. Now, you might be asking, what is ing? Ing is the same thing as when you use in English. You say coming, the ing in that. You say eating, the ing in that. Same ing in Hindi is raha or rahi. Now, of course, raha for masculine and rahi for feminine. These are the only 3 words you need to start mastering your Hindi sentences. Now, the goal is for you to be able to tell people about your day, and that is the first win we need. Now, picture this. I have a friend, and he or she asked me about my day, asked me about last week, asked me about last month in the best case scenario. Now, what is the one thing that is common in all those 3 things? In the past, in the last week, in the last month, or yesterday or today. What is the one thing that is common? And that is past. All those timestamps are in the past tense. So that is the main objective here. The main objective is to be able to tell people about what happened today, what happened yesterday, or what happened last week, last month, or there are only last year. 2 main things, 2 main past that we'll focus here. I ate biryani. I was eating biryani. One is the simple past, I ate biryani. Other one is past continuous, I was eating biryani. First one, I ate biryani. Now, from the vocabulary words that we need, we know that I is main. Now, we don't have the verb yet, so we'll leave the verb blank. I blank tha or thi. Now, in order to do that, we need the sentence structure. And the sentence structure is pronoun, noun, verb, and helping verbs. Helping verb is tha and thi in Hindi. Was is a helping verb. So, we have the pronoun, we have the noun, we need the verb, and we have the helping verb. Pronoun being I, which is main. Noun being biryani. Past tense or verb to eat, ate, is khaya for masculine and khai for feminine. So, main biryani khaya or khai. Tha if masculine and thi if feminine. Main biryani khaya tha masculine. Main biryani khai thi feminine. Now, we need more verbs of the past tense. We need to know more verbs of the past tense in order to make a past tense sentence. Now, if you want to know more of the past tense forms of some of the most common and useful verbs, what you can do is you can check my Instagram or TikTok. I have made a simple video about the past forms of the verbs. The link is in the description below. You can check that out and you will know the past forms of some of the most common and useful verbs in Hindi. So once we are done with that, what you can do is we can start making sentences. For example, if we say I came home. Now, we know that came is aya or I. So we can say main, home is the noun here. Ghar aya I thi. Main ghar aya I thi. And that's I came home. What if we say I was coming home? Main ghar. Now we need the ing here, and we know what is the ing because we have done it. So मैं घर आ रहा और रही थी. मैं घर आ रहा, मैं घर आ रही थी. आ raha or आ रही is the continuous form of the verb. We can say I watched a movie. But now what we can do is we can add time into it. We can start messing around with the time. We can say I came home last night. I came home last night. Now of course we don't know the time here. Last night has come as the time. Now if you don't know the time, if you don't know the time forms, what you can do is I have also added my video, short video for Instagram or TikTok that is available on Instagram and TikTok for the timestamps. There you can learn all the timestamps that you'll need to make past tense sentences. If you already know them, then that's perfect. And if you don't know, you can check it out there and we can get to it. I came home last night. So what you'll say is मैं last night पिछली रात मैं, और you can say yesterday night. So मैं कल रात घर आया और आई था और थी. मैं कल रात घर आया था या मैं कल रात घर आई थी. Now here you can see the sentence structure is pronoun plus time. Now the time is the second thing here. Pronoun plus time plus noun plus verb and plus helping verb. That stayed the same. We have only added the time into it and that goes after the pronoun. Now you can say I went to India last year. मैं पिछले साल भारत गया और गई था और थी. मैं पिछले साल भारत गया था for masculine. मैं पिछले साल भारत गई थी for feminine. I woke up at 8 o'clock yesterday. मैं कल 8 बजे उठा था और उठी थी. उठा था for masculine, उठी थी for feminine. And baje is the o'clock here. If you have watched that video on, or if you already know it, that is amazing. If you have watched that video, you will know that o'clock is baje. Then you can say I slept late yesterday. I slept late yesterday. And that would be मैं कल देर से सोया था या मैं कल देर से सोई थी. Now you can make a past continuous sentence. You can say I was watching a movie last night. I was watching a movie last night. मैं कल रात एक मूवी देख रहा था for masculine. मैं कल रात एक मूवी देख रही थी for feminine. Now let's imagine that I meet this friend and I want to talk about my day, how my day was. So this is what I'm going to do now. After you have done the greetings, you would say, I would start my day as मैं कल 8 बजे उठा था. Because I'm masculine, so I will say मैं कल 8 बजे उठा था. Now you need to figure out what I'm trying to say here. मैं कल 8 बजे उठा था, and that is I woke up at 8 o'clock yesterday. Then, which is फिर. Then in Hindi is फिर. मैं कल 8 बजे उठा था, फिर मैं नाश्ता खाया था. फिर मैं नाश्ता खाया था. फिर मैं काम पर गया था. फिर मैं काम पर गया था. काम पर गया था being I went to work. मैं नाश्ता खाया था being I ate breakfast. नाश्ता is breakfast, so I ate breakfast. मैं नाश्ता खाया था. फिर मैं चाय पिया था. Then I drank chai. फिर मैं चाय पिया था. फिर मैं 1 बजे Netflix देखा था. फिर मैं 1 बजे Netflix देखा था. Then I watched Netflix at 1 o'clock. मैं कल रात डिनर बाहर खाया था. मैं कल रात डिनर बाहर खाया था. बाहर being outside. So मैं कल रात डिनर बाहर खाया था. I ate dinner outside yesterday. फिर मैं एक क्रिकेट मैच देखा था. फिर मैं एक क्रिकेट मैच देखा था. Then I watched a cricket match. कल मैं देर से सोया था. कल मैं देर से सोया था. I slept late yesterday. और आज सुबह मैं जल्दी उठा था और आज सुबह मैं जल्दी उठा था. Today I woke up early in the morning. And that is it. This is how you described your day. This is the first step in order to get good at conversing. This is the first step in order to get good at conversing and able to tell people about your day. What did you do last day? What did you do last month, last week, last year, yesterday, day before yesterday? All of those things. And this is it for today. If you like this video, please consider subscribing or liking. I would really appreciate it. And I hope that you can master your Hindi with these sentences and use them in your daily practice. I would love to hear if you have any questions about these sentences or about anything in general about Hindi. You can drop a comment if you would like, and I would try my best to answer those comments on time. Keep learning Hindi, and I will see you in the next video.